If you need to transfer some contacts from your Android to your iPhone, here's how to do that and watch it till the end because I'll give you some very valuable tips. There are maybe many different variants of doing that, to be honest. However, the easiest one, in my opinion, is through your email. So first of all, we are to locate our contacts application. There we are. Now let's choose the contacts. So select the desired contacts, for example, let it be those ones, and press share. Now choose your Gmail. In Gmail, we are to enter the Gmail which we're sending to, right? So send it right to your iPhone. Enter the suggested Gmail. Great. Now press send and let's wait until we will receive it on our iPhone. So we've received it on our iPhone. Let's tap here and we can see the contacts. We can see the shared contacts and now simply press done. And if you're gonna open up your contact list, they're gonna be added. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.